Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Marina Santika Dewi. Here I will explain the material about fraction number. Well, before starting the lesson, we pray first. Pray begin. Enough. Let's start the lesson. Teaching Material Education Unit Elementary School Kelas atau Semester Kelas 4 Semester 1. Subjects Matematika. Topik Fraction. Subtopic Fraction Number. Lesson 1. Reference Senang belajar matematika. Fraction number. Fraction number are number consisting of two number, namely the numerator as the numerator and the numerator. The denominator or denominator. Fraction number have the form A over B. Fractions are widely used to solve problems that excite in everyday life, like one apple out of 10 apples in one basket and one whole chocolate divided into 10 equal parts. The first example shows the concept of a fraction divided as one and the sum part. The second example shows the concept of a fraction divided as one part of a particular unit. In order to understand the concept of fraction properly, let's recall the material about natural number, whole number, and their operation. Every time Melly has food, she always shares it with her sister. Melly is always fair too. When 4 times on Melly's birthday, he gets a chocolate bar. Melly cut the chocolate half as in it. The first part he gave to his younger brother and the second part to himself. A fraction I over B with B is not equal to 0. Then, if A less than B, then I over B is called a pure fraction. Example, 5 over 3. 2. If A more than B, then I over B is called an impure fraction. For example, 8 over 7. 3. If I over B with M is a natural number and I over B is a pure fraction, then M I over B is called a mixed number. For example, 3, 2 over 7. By looking at this picture, we can answer the following question by reading how to write fraction. 1. In the picture, part 1. How many parts of the books are yellow in the whole books? Observation on books. There are 10 books in different color, 2 books in yellow and 8 books in gray. Will the total books are 10 books in total. The fraction to represent the part of the yellow book of the entire books is 2 out of 10 parts. The fraction statement can be written as 2 over 7. 2. In the picture, part 2. How many parts of the stick are painted red? Observation on the sticks. The paint color on the stick into different color with equal part. The first part is red while the second part is white. The fraction that represent the part of the stick that is read in is one of two parts. The fraction statement can be written as 1 over 2. 3. In the picture part 3. How many parts of the apple are eaten? Observation on apples. An apple is cut into 4 equal pieces. If part of the fruit has been eaten, then 3 parts are left. The fraction for the uneaten apple is 3 out of 4 or of 4 equal parts. The fraction statement can be written as 4 over 3. In the observation of the books on the picture part 1, a fraction is divided as part of whole. In the observation of the stick and the apple in the picture part 2 and 3, a fraction is divided as part of unit. Fraction number are number expressed as a over b, where I and b are integer and b is not equal 0. The number a is called the numerator and the number b is called the denominator. Example: express the shaded part in the image below as a fraction and define the numerator and denominator. Answer: the fraction in the picture above is 4 over 6. So the numerator is 4 and the denominator is 6. B. Answer: the fraction in the picture above is 3 over 8. So the numerator is 3 and the denominator is 8. Student worksheet. Name: class. Education Unit Elementary School. Class 4. Subjects Mathematics. Topic: fraction. Subtopic: fraction number. Lesson 1. Learning objectives. 1. By listening to the teacher explanation, student can be read fraction careful and thoroughly. 2. Provided with several pictures, student can determine the fractions that are worth confidently. 3. By listening to the teacher explanation, student can simplify fraction carefully and thoroughly. 4. By observing the picture, student can compare fraction carefully and thoroughly. Work instruction. 1. Prepare book and stationery. 2. Always pray before and after studying. 3. Write the number and class in the column provided. 4. Read and understand the question carefully. 5. Do the text carefully and immediately. 6. Check your work again before submitting it to the teacher.